It all started on a rainy Tuesday night. A beat-up pickup truck screeched to a halt at the gas station. Behind the wheel sat a young man, eyes narrowed, a sneer twisting his lips. He was known around town for being a bully, a real piece of work. He jumped out, slamming the door. His target? A young woman, barely out of her teens, diligently cleaning the pumps. She looked tired, but her smile was bright, even under the harsh fluorescent lights. "Hey, girl," he sneered, his voice dripping with contempt. "You know, you'd look a lot better scrubbing floors instead of pretending to be a gas station attendant." His laughter echoed, sharp and cruel. He tossed a crumpled $20 bill onto the counter. "Fill her up." The young woman remained calm, her smile unwavering. She filled his tank, her movements precise and efficient. He continued his taunts, making comments about her clothes, her job, her life. His cruelty grew with each passing second. The tension was thick enough to cut with a knife. Just as he was about to launch into another insult, a car pulled up behind his truck. A woman stepped out, elegantly dressed, her eyes flashing with anger. She approached the bully, her voice low and icy. "Excuse me," she said, her words cutting through his sneering. "I believe you're harassing my daughter." His face paled. The sneer vanished, replaced by confusion and fear. He stammered, trying to backpedal, but it was too late. The woman revealed a badge, her identity clear: the police chief. His bullying hadn't just offended a gas station attendant. It had offended her daughter. The bully's attempt to apologize was weak and unconvincing. The police chief called for backup, and soon, he was being handcuffed. He looked genuinely shocked, humbled. Later that night, a news report highlighted the arrest. It detailed the bully's history of harassment and intimidation. It showed the young woman, her face now radiant, finally free from his torment. The report also revealed something unexpected: the police chief's daughter was working a part-time job to save for college. Her quiet dignity in the face of his abuse had impressed everyone. The bully's downfall wasn't just about his arrest, it was a lesson about the consequences of prejudice, the strength of kindness, and the surprising power of hidden identities. Sometimes, the underdog isn't who you think they are. Sometimes, the most unexpected act of kindness comes with the most powerful punch. And sometimes, karma is a beautiful thing. It's a reminder that actions have consequences, and kindness always prevails.